Are you ready? Okay. What's on your plate?
Cake.
Cake. What is it?
Cake.
Cake. That's right. Do you like your cake? Daniel, what's in your cup? Wawa? Yeah, that's my Wawa. What, Daniel? What's in your cup again? Wawa. Now, what's that red blanket beside you called?
Baby.
What is it?
Baby.
Baby?
Baby.
Your baby? Is it your baby? That's not... Daniel. Daniel, isn't that your Lovey? Is it your Lovey? Is it your Lovey? Well, is it your Lovey? What is it called?
Baby.
Baby. He's named his Lovey Baby. And he can say cake. And he can say Wawa. And he can say Mama. Say down. I know your cake. Daniel, do you want down? Say please. Say please. Please. Okay, don't fall, please. Alright, come on down. That's not how we do it. We wait for Mama. Stop, Dan. You're going to fall. Here. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Daniel. Daniel. Whoa. Daniel, say bye-bye. Daniel. No, use your words. Say bye-bye. Say ball. Bye-bye. There you go. Okay, bye-bye.